Welcome to Thursday's episode of Oil Slick Cars, and today we have a little bit more than normal. So, yesterday I picked up some extra cars to resupply the shelf with. So it's kind of big. So I'm just going to pick a random one out of here and use it to replace the empty spot from the General Lee yesterday. So, I'm just going to pick one at random. So what did we get here? Okay, we got a Nissan Skyline RS. Pretty cool color, but yeah. Gonna slide that in the spot. Now we gotta pick today's car. Alright, for today, we're going a bit older than the 60s, which is where you kind of stuck. And I'm gonna pick this guy here today. This here is a BMW 507. I got this one back a little while ago. So, according to this thing has a V8 with 150 horsepower and reaching a whole whopping 122 miles an hour. It's a cool little roadster. Let's get this thing open. What I wanted it to do. So that's just gonna have to be how it is though. Okay, well that side opened right. See if we can just kind of. So here's it up close. Got some really cool white walls on it. Super. I like the red interior. I think that looks really sweet. Yeah, no, that's cool. It's also got this really cool pinstriping on the hood. You know, this one's definitely gonna be an interesting one. Up against the General Lee here, and the Cougar with the iron car. A little bit smaller than both of these. It's like, these two are about the same length, so it's shorter, so it might be, it feels about the same weight. I'm gonna get a scale to weigh these probably next episode, because I'm eager to know, because I think weight will have a big effect on who can be the fastest down the track. But thanks for watching today's episode of Oil Slick Cars, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.